Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Ceylon and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy chocolate oats that's packed with fiber and lots of omega-3 because I add chia seeds as well. So this portion is ideal for my kids. You can add more as you need. First, I add 2 heaped tablespoons of oats. And to my oats, I'm also adding some chocolate powder, some cocoa. You can use about half to a teaspoon of chocolate powder. Cocoa powder is even better if you have it. Next, I'm adding boiling water. I add about a half a cup of boiling water. We mix everything in and we're going to pop it into the microwave. You can even do it on the stove top. In the microwave, I keep it for about 45 seconds to a minute. Once it's out, it has absorbed a lot of that water. Next, I add my chia seeds. So for an adult, you can go definitely more. I'm just adding a heaped teaspoon for the kids. Followed by some milk. Today I'm using oat milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. So you can use as much as you want. This just gives the chia seeds an opportunity to also absorb that milk and excess water. Next, I'm adding some cinnamon. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon and you can add a pinch, which is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Followed by a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Just a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And this will help to balance all the flavors and it actually brings out the sweetness. Next, you can add your sweetener, whether it's maple syrup or honey or stevia or sugar, whatever your preference. You can add it to your oats, mix it in, and once you're done mixing, you can add whatever toppings you like. Today I'm adding some blueberries and some fresh strawberries for the kids. Sometimes we add a selection of nuts. You can add bananas. And then you can drizzle a little more of your maple syrup or honey or your sweetener. It's really delicious. It's very satisfying. It's full of nutrients. Let's check what Yavi has to say.
Our taster didn't wait again. He's already indulging. I want him to go sit at the table, so go for it quickly, boy. Keep disturbing you. Chocolate tea.
Delicious.
Ooh, yummy. That's good. You like it?
Yes.
Ooh, wow.
He's going through a Harry Styles phase, so please excuse the hair. Thank you again, Yavi. It's so yummy and it's so great to have your kids enjoy simple oats, something that when we grew up we despised eating, and you can jazz it up for your kids and make it more exciting. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share. And your comments are always very welcome. As usual, all the ingredients will be found in the drop-down description below. Have a beautiful day. I am Ceylon.